In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a dashboard in Monday.com, whether you're a team leader aiming to streamline your project management or a team member diving into this versatile platform. This guide will walk you through the essentials of setting up and navigating a dashboard in just a few steps. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. It's important to ensure you're using the latest version of your browser for the best experience with this dynamic platform. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Login. This will direct you to the sign-in page where you'll see various login options. For this tutorial, we'll use Google to log in. Click on the Google icon and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. This step is crucial for ensuring a secure and streamlined login process. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself in the Monday.com dashboard area. Here comes the exciting part, creating your dashboard. Locate the plus icon. This is typically found in the sidebar or on the top toolbar. Clicking it will give you a drop-down menu of options. From this menu, select Dashboard. This action will take you to a new page, signaling the start of your dashboard setup journey. At this stage, you'll need to come up with a name for your dashboard. This might seem trivial, but a clear descriptive name can save you time later if you manage multiple dashboards. Once you've typed in your chosen name, press Enter. Following this, you'll need to decide on the privacy settings for your dashboard. Monday.com offers several privacy types: public, private, or shared with specific teammates. Think carefully about who needs access to the data within your dashboard. If it contains sensitive information, opt for a private setting to ensure only authorized team members can view and edit it. Once you've set your privacy preferences, you're ready to create the dashboard. Click on the Create Dashboard button. Congratulations, you've just set up your dashboard. With the dashboard now live, you can start adding widgets, importing data, and tailoring it to your specific project needs. Setting up a dashboard on Monday.com is a seamless process that can drastically enhance your workflow by providing visual management tools at your fingertips. Play around with the customization options to make the dashboard truly work for you. I hope this guide has empowered you to confidently create and utilize a dashboard on Monday.com, streamlining your team's processes and boosting productivity. Stay tuned for more tutorials to optimize your use of this powerful platform.